SP800 full hydraulic pile breakers is independently developed and manufactured by DRILLMASTER Company Limited after absorbing advantages of similar products abroad and considering the special conditions and requirements of bridge engineering. It is currently the world's most advanced device of the like, which uses a plurality of hydraulic cylinders to simultaneously squeeze pile from different points on the same end face. And its working principle is simple, efficient and environmentally friendly. 1. The operation of the device needs power source which can employ fixed pumping stations or other mobile engineering machinery equipment. 2. Hydraulic system pressure is 31.4 megapascals. The setting value of overflow valve is 34.4 megapascals. The diameter of main hydraulic pipe is 25 mm and of the cylinder tubing is 20 mm. 3. There are uncertain factors for the engineering machinery and the material composition of pile foundation, and the maximum depth of each pile breaking construction shall be 0.3 meters. 4. The number of module, range of pile diameter, tonnage of engineering machinery needed, and total weight of machine when the power source using engineering machinery are shown in the following table. The oil pipe of pile breaker shall select corresponding hydraulic oil pipe and coupling before cutting pile. Before the operation, check whether the hydraulic pipe is well connected and whether the hydraulic oil pipe and oil cylinder have leakage by engineering machinery test pressure. Operation can be started only after ensuring the hydraulic pipe has no oil leakage.